What's up, All.Natural squad? So today, I'm back at y'all with another mother video, okay? So today, I had to come out here and do this intro because somehow the footage got deleted, but it's a voiceover, and I'm doing a twist out where I attempt to do a twist out on my brother here, but my mama did it. She went behind me and did a twist out. Okay, y'all see that. But anyways, let's get into the video. Conditioner and water, because you know that you got to protect the hair when you put in heat on the hair, and you got to put water and conditioner in it because you don't want to be hurting his head. Now all this whole video is in fast motion, so it may look like I'm hurting his head, but I'm not. But anyways, yeah, y'all, this shit is matted, dry, nappy, so y'all gonna see me just combing it out, you know, getting it all detangled or whatever. So basically stay tuned. So yeah, I had to go in with my own personal hair dryer that I use on my hair, but as you can see, I'm gonna switch because it don't work for everybody here. But this is like the best like, I don't even know what it's called, hand tool brush blow dryer that you can use on natural hair, because it don't, like, you know, blow too much heat and give heat damage. But I'm just blowing it out. And a little backstory on his hair. He used to have hair all his life. Then he cut it off, I think in, I don't even remember which grade, but he was in high school, so it ain't been too long ago. And now he want to go grow twists. So, you know, everybody go through their little phase, how they want to cut their hair, grow it out, you know, do all this type of stuff with their hair. But y'all see me now going in with the other handheld blow dryer. So I'm just going in with the blow dryer and the comb at the same time to straighten the hair all the way out, so it can be easy to twist and maintenance. If y'all want more hair videos, just make sure y'all like this video. I'm trying to keep bringing something new to y'all to see what y'all like. What's my audience gonna like, not just, you know, me. So I know how to do different things. Y'all look at your boy though, like he talk about the damn blow dryer hot as hell, but shit nappy as hell though. But anyway, so y'all gonna see me now trying to get started on his hair in the back. So I'm making a part, trying to make sure my part is straight. And then I'm gonna go in to start the twist. And I'm using some foam wrap. I don't know why I didn't show y'all in the video, but I did not end up even doing it or using it anyways. So yeah, what I attempt to start doing was just doing, you know, just a regular little twist. You know, they look dry. Y'all see all that fat up under my neck. Like, I know I'm all natural, but the one thing I want to get done is that, like, that is so hereditary. It ain't even because I'm fat, it's just hereditary. But we're gonna get on with this YouTube, and one day, y'all, I'm gonna get lipo. So I'm gonna take y'all through that process, because even when I lost weight or whatever, that chin went down a little bit, but it still ain't gonna work. As I got older, it came. So y'all, I don't know what happened to the outer hair, but it got cut off at this point. So like I was saying, basically I'm going in just doing twists, and I'm gonna try to catch back up where I was at, putting foam on the twist, twisting it. So, you know, I was kind of going for like a little, you know, twist out type of look, kind of big, but my mama wasn't having that shit. So y'all gonna see her come over here, start talking junk about, you know, what I did, and trying to, you know, teach me a better way how to do it. But this is how you would regular do, you know, like a natural hair twist out. But you know, like this day in lifetime, they ain't doing it type, you know, no more dry hair. And I would tell y'all if y'all want to see natural hair videos, but I'm currently starting to grow dreads, so that ain't the case no more. But if y'all want to see how I'm going to start to style my starter dreads, y'all let me know in the comments.
Do like this, Kimani. When you twist it, palm twist, it'll make it stay. Yeah, like that. Twist, twist, twist. Twist, twist, twist. But see, y'all left-handed, that's the reason why it's so hard for y'all, because y'all left-handed. It's easy for us because we right-handed.
So y'all, now my mama coming in. She done combed out all the twists that I did and finna try to show me how to apply the product and twist the hair. So what she was doing was applying product to the bottom half of the hair, also as well on the top of the hair, and then twisting it. And she was doing that for each section. So when she applied product to the bottom and the top of the hair, she just go in, part it, and then just twist the hair. You don't have to apply no more product to it unless you want to put product on the ends for it to make it stay. So right here, she just going in showing me how to apply it, you know, do it or whatever. But I just end up letting her just finish the whole head. So that y'all can see she took over the video and she gonna finish this whole head. So like I said, she applying the product to the bottom half of the hair, the top of half of the hair, and then she just parting it in sections and then just twisting it. And only adding more products to the end of the twist if it's needed. So y'all just pretty much repeating these steps until you get to the top of the head, just over and over and over again.
Now, for a fact, I made a better song that you said, take my shirt off, my twist and my sword down.
So I say you got options now.
Yeah, my brother is funny as heck. So he talking about how he gonna shake his twist, but right now, like I said, you gotta go through that ugly stage that's gonna be stiff as hell, you know, and they're not gonna move. But you know, eventually they'll get back longer. But like I said, all she doing is repeating the steps over and over again, putting the product on, well, parting it, putting the product on, parting it in sections, and retwisting it. Yeah, I haven't idea of voiceover in a long time. Like, I got some voiceover videos that's on my YouTube channel already, and I ain't did it in a while. And once you're doing a voiceover, like, it just go by so fast. Yeah, I don't know what's my next video gonna be, but I'm gonna try to do like some personal like girl stuff for y'all, for us women. Like a, you know, like a relaxing bath, or, you know, anything like that, skin routine type stuff like that y'all may be more interested in. Like I said, I'm trying to do a lot of stuff, you know, on my channel. But I am gonna start going live on my channel. I don't know if I want to do it like every Wednesday, because I'm trying to give y'all videos every week. So I have been doing good. So I have, this will be my 3rd video. So I've been doing good every single week. So y'all, she almost at the top of his head. Like I said, repeating her steps. And what you want to do is make sure you keep going around the perimeter to make sure it lay flat, you know, going down, so they won't be flying everywhere. And if y'all want to see my mama do more videos on my channel of doing hair, or maybe even making her own channel of doing hair, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up or comment down below to let me know if y'all want to see how she do hair, or learn anything, or tips or tricks, you know, from her. Just make sure y'all comment down below and say I want to see more hair videos. My brother on Snapchat, I'm gonna put his link down in the description, and make sure y'all go on Apple Music and download his album Month 101, because he do have his first album out, and he got videos on YouTube. So as y'all can see, she at the top of his head. She almost done. And y'all, this part up here is like really important, because like this, like,
No, I gotta get the roots, and then you won't lean your head back.
I'm leaning my neck here. You can break my neck. I'm not gonna lean my head back.
You gotta lean your head back. I'm at the top.
Lean that part of my neck to go.
Man, you know your head short. I'm at the top. Slide down or something. I'm about to be like cooking now. Sit the fuck back. Hold your motherfucking head up. Goddamn head in the mouth. Last time she playing with your head. Act like your grandma now.
yeah, my mama funny as heck. But like I was saying, this part at the top is the most important part, because this part right here shows like in the front of your face, you know, you taking pictures or just being, you know, in public trying to present yourself. So you want to make sure that it's going to the back, or laying down how you want it to lay. Because if not, then however that you twist or plait or whatever you're doing at the top of this part, that's how it's gonna start to stick up, you know, and it's not gonna look pretty. She finally almost done with the 2-strand twist. Believe that she on her last one. So now she just put some oil sheen, you know, the regular old oil sheen that's been out for years in the blue can. Yeah, I already know he gotta check himself out on Snapchat. But yeah, so y'all see if you lay it right and do it right, like it will lay right. And he trying to shake, but ain't nothing shaking. Like I said, you gotta go through the process. But all she doing is, like I told y'all, the product I was using was the foam wrap. You put that on the head and then it make it lay down. Yeah, he think he all that. So now what she doing, she done put the stocking cap on his head to make it lay down flat so it won't be flying. And she taking the hair dryer, melt all the foam that's in his head. So this is the end result of how it's looking. So all he gotta get now is a shape up to make it even pop, you know, more than what it's popping. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video. So thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all. And see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all comment, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
Something